Can you say hi to all of your fans all over the world?
Yeah.
For her catwalk.
My trainer is today.
Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Yuka. Yuka, just photo. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
You unfortunately.
This is only for going down today.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is just to meet you guys for
Can
today.
you please describe the outfit that you're wearing for the interview and why have you chosen that?
The outfit that I chose for an interview, it's really expressing my Thainess. And I think it's important for me to show that to the judge as a Thai host as well. And I want them to remember me as a girl that is
I love you so much.
I'm ready for today for the interviews and to show the judges. Actually, my team chose.
เป็นไงล่ะพี่กัดนี่เลิศจังเลยสนุกมากเลยอ่ะพี่กัดทำให้กับสนุกมากและอยู่ enjoy every day
เพราะว่าอันนี้เป็นปรากฏลาดวิชา
last time ครั้งสุดท้ายแล้วใช่ไหมทำไมถึงเป็น
so
last time
I'm very enjoy this beauty pageant
What do you enjoy about this so much?
เอาแล้ว
Well, this is not the dress that I'm going to use today.
Oh, so it's going to be a
It's
surprise.
not for the interview, but just to go downstairs in the dress and I get to see.
Oh my God, just to go down for this gown?
Nidal, designer from Venezuela. Nidal. Well, Nidal did this dress. He is of Nidal, so I have to use it because it's very, very, very beautiful.
Yes.
I love it. And of course, I want that you can see this talent from all the designer of Venezuela. It's the work that I'm doing here that you can see the talent that we have in my country.
Okay, here. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. Okay. Congratulations, you did so well on your top model photo last night.
Please come again.
In your portrait challenge photo, it was great. Congratulations.
Thank you guys so much. So the hairstyle actually took a whole lot of work. I spent the entire night preparing that hairstyle for the portrait challenge. So I'm really proud of my work and the sacrifices I had to make. Sacrificing my sleep just to make sure that I had it done. So I'm really proud of myself. Thank you.
Thank you so much and all the best. For the closed door interview.
For my interview, I am still very excited because I want the people know me, not only my name, not my history, because I have the history, the for purpose, history, the heart, before I was in coma, very sick, and for me it's a new opportunity. I stay here for show evolution. I am so happy. I can look for the interview.
You can turn around.
It's my interview.
I have photo now. Okay, here, 1,
Go!